Welcome to the chapter 13. In chapter 13 we are going to discuss about how to run automation on multiple browsers from a single test case. There are situations that you need to use multiple browsers, means one browser in Chrome, one browser for Firefox to run test cases. For example, you have a chat application, if you have some kind of a browser that requires multiple logins to check in. In that sense, you might really require two browsers to launch concurrently, and we'll see how to do that in this chapter. Okay, for that I create another new test case called run on multiple browsers. Okay, so I use test case for the earlier one, switch browsers. I just use the same test case and copy down here. So here it takes a get web driver from the app config. So app config is basically, I can put this to Google Chrome. Okay, so that this will take Google Chrome, and I'm going to create one more browser here itself. For that I use Firefox. So what I will do here, I will type it down here. So here I have created another one for the Firefox. I'll name it as FF, and yeah, so this is going to be the Google Chrome because we typed it here as Google Chrome, and here I'm creating Firefox. Okay, so driver Firefox. Okay, I need to declare it here. Web driver. My web driver FF is defined here. Need to be initializing here first, and I name it as driver FF is equal to new Firefox FF the path. Okay. Now I have to type a dictionary that can handle multiple browsers from a single test case. I will write it as dictionary is not available. So before doing that, let's add one more. Using system.collection dot generic so now you can add dictionary get it right. Web driver then you type driver by handles, and you can put drivers. Equal to new dictionary string comma I web driver okay. So we define how to handle these two. Now what you should be doing here, I will log in to the website as driver, and this driver is basically obtained from get driver, apparently from Google Chrome, and quit the browser. I'm going to repeat the same test case over here. Just copy it down, paste it here. So this will be for running on Firefox. So here I have to change driver ff, driver ff quit. Okay, so this is running on Firefox, same test case. This is running on Google Chrome. Okay, so let's try to run these two test cases. What are we expecting? This portion of the test case will launch the browser in Chrome and navigate to the browser, log in and quit. This portion of the browser code will do the same, but not on the Google Chrome, but on the Firefox. So let's see how does this works. So, yep. So instead of running quickly, I can do the debugging section. Put a breakpoint here, left click and breakpoint here. Come over here, debug test. So it has hit the breakpoint. Press F10. Okay. Yeah, you can see that it's logged in, and F10 again, quit the browser. Now you just hit on the next line of the code, which is Firefox again. F10. Yes. I'll just move a little bit. Okay, you can see that it has hit the head breakpoint and just launch the Firefox browser and open the browser, open the website in that Firefox browser, and now we're logged in. And quit the browser. And you can see the test case has passed. So here, one thing you can do in case something happens in between, for some reason test case failed and we are not able to quit the browser and something happened, then here you need to do the quitting of both browsers. You have to quit this browser, and also you need to quit the driver ff.quit browser as well as here. So you need to copy this portion of the code and execute. Of course, that you can do very easily. So this is how you run multiple browsers using a single test case. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to discuss in this chapter, like running multiple browsers, and we'll see you in the chapter 14 with another topic. Thank you. Please subscribe if you have not done so.